Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business flyer design using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place the flyer image on the canvas. I duplicate the layer immediately. I apply Posterize and carefully lower the levels. I pause here because flyers must be clear at first glance. I adjust until the image feels bold but not confusing. I mask important areas like products and faces. I zoom in and clean edges to maintain print quality. I choose colors that feel strong and trustworthy for business promotion. I add flyer text and align everything neatly. I check margins and spacing because print design needs precision.